Everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can import a project from Premiere Pro to Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. Firstly, I can't show you what you need to do in Premiere Pro. However, all you need to do is export a file or export your timeline as an XML. You can do this by going into File in Premiere Pro. This is Davinci, but I'll just use it as an example. You need to go to File, go to Export, and then you can export as a Final Cut Pro XML file. And then once you export your timeline, then you need to import that XML into Davinci Resolve. The way you do this is you go into your Edit tab and make sure your media pool is active. Then you need to right click here and import media from XML. And once you do this, you'll have this sort of window from Windows Explorer or whatever operating system you're using. And then you can just select the XML that you've exported from the location you exported it from. And then you can just select it and click open, and then it'll open it up in Davinci Resolve. You need to select the timeline where you want it to go. And then once you open it up, it'll be added to the end of your timeline, or it'll be added to your timeline in general. And yeah, that is pretty much the entire process behind it. It is very simple. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I'm sorry that I couldn't show you how to do this in Premiere since I don't have it, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.